Love your Jeep but tired of the relentless leaks? I've been in your shoes, which led me to create the original Jeep Leak Fix Kit 4 years ago. This solution has since transformed the lives of thousands of Jeep owners worldwide by introducing a body side seal like no other. However, I've learned that every Jeep is unique and one size doesn't always fit all. After diving deeper with extensive customer feedback and further research, I realized that stopping Jeep leaks isn't just about one fix. It's about addressing every unique challenge your Jeep presents. That's why I'm excited to introduce the enhanced Jeep Leak Fix Kit. This isn't just another seal kit. I've spent years refining this, bringing together innovation and hands-on research to provide you the ultimate solution for Jeep water leaks. Keep your Jeep dry by implementing our exclusive expert knowledge and proprietary products you won't find anywhere else. The new Jeep Leak Fix Kit will provide you with the following: proprietary body side seals, custom designed for a snug fit, tackling leaks where they start. Jeep Noodles, boost your door seal compression for a tighter seal, reducing noise and preventing water entry. Our seal reconditioning products help you to revive and extend the life of your existing seals, making them work like new again. Let's also include our comprehensive master guide, a step-by-step manual detailing how to identify and fix every possible water entry point, from doors to freedom panels, even windshield issues. With the Jeep Leak Fix Kit and Master Guide, you'll gain the knowledge and tools, also confidence, to banish leaks from your adventures for good. Don't let another rainy day dampen your Jeep spirit. Click the link below and join the community of owners who've taken back control. Make your Jeep the dry, reliable companion it was meant to be. Sign up now for the ultimate solution to Jeep leaks, and let's get your Jeep back on the road, adventure ready and leak free.